Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening your Google account security settings, go straight to two-step verification and select Turn On. You'll be prompted to confirm your password, so enter it now. Once confirmed, choose an Authenticator app as the primary method, then tap Setup. You should see a QR code. Leave this screen visible. At the same time, open Google Authenticator on your phone to scan the code. This links the app to your YouTube account immediately. Once you scan the QR code or paste the manual key into Google Authenticator, the app will create a 6-digit rotating code every 30 seconds. You now type the current 6-digit code back into the Google Setup page and press Verify. Make sure you enter digits quickly because they expire. If it fails, wait for the next code cycle and try again. After verification, click Done and confirm that two-step verification lists Authenticator as an active option for your YouTube login. To complete setup, download or copy the recovery codes Google provides and store them safely. These bypass the app if you lose your phone. You should also add a backup phone number or a second Authenticator instance on another device so you're not locked out. If the app's codes aren't accepted, make sure your phone clock is set to automatic network time and then rescan the QR or re-enter the manual key. This fixes most timing or synchronization errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.